Okay, let's continue. Yeah, you if you working before in Korean, Kusur, Korean, me always also crazy. My mind carbon also. Kusur Korean, what different? What different Kusur Korean? Me carbon, my mind carbon. Okay, I call Korean. Korean, if you work here Korean before, you should call before here Korean. Maybe little only shop. But now see, oh my goodness, too much shop now. Yes, see, too much shop now. Also left side there, also back side, too much shop. Oh, Karas, Mojud Karas, block. Oh my goodness, Mama Josa, Hub Almusaini. See, too much building doon. Oh my goodness. Where you work before in Kuwait? If you work here before Kuwait, just comment. Can I go? I go in your place. Where you work before? So na, too much on my face. Too much big. My goodness. I need a selfie stick maybe. Too much focus my face. But then unsubscribe because no handsome. Okay, let's go see the job. If you plan to send to save here, too much Korean. You can buy a sale from Rames, from Al Nasser, like shampoo, perfume. You can find in Rames. Yes. Oh shit, sunada. Have police. Me if have police, no video me. But then thinking me no good. But then thinking me karkarab. See there, oh, Q3. Oh my goodness. Very big now Korean. There, all building, all shop. Hub shops, hub mall. This Korean. Wajid cover now this Korean. Oh, Korean, this way, Korean. Also there, left side. Left side is the ministry, the transportation, no? I know you know this building. This is the traffic. Don't ministry traffic maybe. If you have fine in the traffic, you go there, but then you clear your record. See, still there. Backside. There, backside. Too much establishment. Wala. Wajid cover this Korean now. My mind kalas. See there, have camel shop also. Me planning to eat camel. You eat already camel? Just comment if you already eat camel and what is the taste of the camel. Okay, this is the last video, no? Because I will show you only how big now Korean. Pero see there, see, too much establishment. There, Korean big. Oh my goodness, very big Korean now. Wow. Where you work before in Kuwait? Really, man, I'm really thank you, Chef. Shout out to Chef Albert again. I almost go home. If Mapi Chef Albert, maybe go home already. Maybe not really my time to go home, but I'm planning to go next year. Go home next year. I don't know. Maybe I'm really planning to go home next year. Long time in Kuwait, man. How about you? How many years in Kuwait? Kalas here now my work. There. Oh yeah. Subscribe and follow. Happy 40,000 followers. Oh yeah.